Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I'm doing a what's in my bag video, and I'll be showing you what's in my Coach Town bucket bag. I did a review on this video, and it was a review and an unboxing, and I got lots and lots of questions on which size bag it was. Guys, this is the Coach Town bucket bag, so this would be the bigger size. The smaller one is the Coach Small Town bucket bag. So that's how you know the difference. The one that's small says small, and then the one that's big just says Coach Town bucket bag. I know it can be confusing, but yeah, so this is the Coach Town bucket bag. This is the bigger one, and I guess you could say this is sort of an update on the bag. As you guys know, if you saw my review on this, I let you guys know I wasn't too sure about this bag because I didn't know at first that it was a pebbled bag, like pebbled leather. And I think I really like smooth leather better, but this bag grew on me, and I can definitely say that this is a wonderful update. I really like this bag. Why do I like it? Because it holds a lot, and I like the way it cinches in, and I like the long strap, and then I like the fact that it has another strap here that you can carry, and when it's on me as a crossbody, it's out of the way. Like, I live in New York City, so I ride public transportation, and when I'm on the train, I don't like my bag. Like, a lot of times some of my other totes, like, people bump into my bag all the time, but with this one, I can always adjust it to be in the front, and it holds a lot, but it's like, it doesn't take up a lot of space. So that's what I really like about this bag. Plus, I like the sleekness of it and the fact that it's just like a bold black bag. That's what I like about it. So I tried to be as real as possible because, you know, I switch out my bags all the time. So I'm like, since I used this bag last and I still have things in it, this is a true video of what's actually in my bag. So it's kind of weird, but okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so first and foremost, the bag comes, as you see, like one side here, and then it has that middle compartment. So I guess we'll do what's on the inside here. I have my Coach little pouch. This is the Vintage City, what's this one? The Vintage Rose pattern that they had during the summertime, limited edition, and that's what I have. And then I just have this little pod case right here that says Chanel, and inside of this I just keep a card, what's it called? Yeah, a card case that says positive vibes, and I put my business cards in here, guys, because it's perfect for my business cards. And that's my business right there. I sell hair accessories and cosmetics. There you go. So I have my business cards there. I don't too much keep my credit cards or debit cards in my card case because I have a phone case, and then I have some money in here. Oh, I'm rich. I have $20. Sometimes I forget I have money. Yo, I have more money. I didn't even know. $25 just in my little card case. And then here's just some little charms that I got for the card case. I got this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. It's really cute, and it says positive vibes. So then I just have a bunch of lip gloss. You guys know I make lip gloss. I sell lip gloss. So I have my own lip gloss. I don't wear any other lip gloss but mine, only unless I purchase from another lip gloss company, like a small business lip gloss, then I'll wear some of their glosses. But for the most part, I wear my own glosses. I have a pen. I always have to have pens, guys. I'm a writer. I'm always jotting things down. So yeah, I have hair ties, and I have a nail clipper, because you never know, those hangnails, and then if you get a broken nail, like, you just want to, you know. And then I have a little sample Chanel chance that they gave me at the Chanel store, which I need to go back so I can get some more. I love this one. Yeah, so that's all that's in this pouch, which was in my bag. And so, what else do I? Don't laugh at me, guys. I have a pair of socks in my bag. You're gonna ask me why do I have socks? Because I believe I wore this bag last to my dance class, and so after class I changed my clothes, so this must be an old pair of socks. And they're not stinky. Nope, they're not stinky at all. Actually, they smell very fresh. Yeah, I just like to change my socks or bring an extra pair of socks, but this smells fresh, so I'm figuring that I probably didn't need to change my socks and I just had an extra pair, because you never know. You never know. Okay, so this is wipes, like that you can use on your face or wipe off, because you know after dance you're sweaty, so I just take the wipes, you know, out of the regular pack and then put it inside of a Ziploc bag, so you can never have too many wipes, and if you know you need to wipe your hands or whatever. Then I just have receipts. Of course, you guys know I love to shop at Marshall's, so I have a receipt from Marshall's and I have a receipt from Walgreens. I love to go to Walgreens. Okay guys, so you know I live in New York City, so oh goodness, I have a Metro card, because this is how we travel. This is how we get around. Like, most people in New York don't have a car unless they're commuting everywhere else or whatever. But yeah, I take the train or I take Ubers or Lyfts. That's what I do. Okay, so now what's in the inside part is, oh, look at me, I'm rich. I have money, 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 more money. Sometimes I forget I have money. I have a mask, because we all know the situation that we're in right now. And I made this mask, by the way. They're available on my Etsy shop. Link will be in the description, but yeah. This is a mermaid mask. And I have it in silver as well. I always try to carry extra masks. Look at that. More lip gloss. These are my lip glosses. More lip gloss. I have Purell. Someone must have gave that to me and I just kept it in case. I still have the care card for the Coach bag. What else? Oh, I have my Diva diamond pen. I sell these on my website. I love this pen because it has like a diamond at the top. And it's pink. It's like a rose gold with polka dots. It is so, so cute. These are on my website, kharyzmaforyou.com. I have a mirror that my friend gave me when he went to Aruba and he bought it back for me. It's so cute too. Look at the little sandals on it. And yeah, that's it. And I think that's all I have in my bag, guys. Yep, that's what's in my Coach Town bucket bag. If you guys haven't seen my review already, check out my review. I will definitely leave a link in the description. And I have reviews on a couple of my Coach bags. So I'll be doing a what's in my bag for some of the other Coach bags that I have. And just check out my playlist. I might have to do a separate playlist for the Coach bags because a lot of you like Coach. I didn't know like it was a thing, but it's all good because Coach has really been stepping it up. They've been coming out with some really, really nice bags and I'm here for it. If it's affordable and it's me, I'm gonna get it, or somebody's gonna get it for me. But yeah, guys, you guys enjoy your holidays. I'm gonna put my stuff back in my bag. And all my information is in the description, my Instagram, my websites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.